Yo, what up, guys? Joe here, Joe's Diecast and Trucking. Just pulled back into town. Said he was stuck at Wally. There was a pallet out there. Picked up this 72 Chevy Cheyenne, all black, red suspension. Checked the pallet and we had these bad boys on there. M2s. See what they are. Got the little one with me again. She's getting some worms for her tarantula. What's the price on them? Did you see?
No.
I think these ones right here, the night crawlers probably. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna come over here. Shelves are a little empty. I guess they got a little more than what they have. Came across these bad boys. These are pretty sick. I'm debating whether I should pick one up or not, and I probably will. I just love the tempos on it, man. It's a badass truck. So taking those two. Got these Stars and Stripes here. Ford Mustang GT. That's a Ranchero, the GTO, the Challenger, the Corvette, Firebird, Mustang, Ford truck, and muscle speeder. See if we have any chases in these. Got a ton of cars, Disney cars. Also some Auto World. This has been hanging for a minute. Alright, let me crack this open and I'll get right back with you guys. Alright guys, just opened it up. See what we got here. Ground pounders. I don't know what's gonna be a chase in this sucker. Oh yeah, there it is. Look at that. A raw chase. Actually clay. Oh, good freaking hit here. There we go, guys. 70 Chevy El Camino SS 454. 250. I'm glad we came over here. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna grab the regular. Straight off the bat, look, Reina. There's the regular orange one. 70 El Camino SS 454 R22. And then there's the chase piece. It's made out of clay. Like, it's not painted or anything like that. That is sick. I gotta take both. The regular and the chase to show the chase off. Booyah, good hit, good hit. Alright, protect those with your life, young lady. Alright, let's see what else we got here. The Nomad, 1957.
No, you're covering it with your finger.
Sorry guys, I thought I quit recording, my bad. My daughter scared me. 57 Nomad. We have 58 Fury Plymouth. Next on up is another Plymouth, the Cuda 440 1971. That one's pretty badass. The Shelby GT 1967. Last but not least, the Ford F100. Alright. So let's check these ones. Another 57. 67 GT. I got here another Fury. And another Cuda. And last but not least, again, another Ford F-100. I'm gonna stack all those up right here, because I am gonna take... Where's the box, baby, that you had? We need to cut it up. I'm gonna take the box. So here we go, guys. I am glad I came, and I wasn't gonna come, dude. 250 pieces worldwide. The regular and the chase. 70 El Camino. Alright, guys, make sure you like and subscribe. Share it, and we'll catch up with y'all later. Y'all have a good day. Good night.